So I'll be taking you through this platform. So as a new user, when you come to this page, the first thing you're going to do is to sign up. So to do that, you click on the new user sign up button. So once you click on that, you enter your details. You also enter your username. So I'm just going to do that. So this is my username. Then you make sure that you select your date of birth as well. Then you enter your password. Then you confirm the password. Then you may enter the other parameters. That's the middle name, last name, date of birth, address, city, and etc. Then once you are done, you click on the I agree to the terms and conditions. So once you do that, you then submit. So when you submit, you get a notification here saying account created successfully. So now what you want to do is to log into the platform. So to log into the platform now, you enter your username that you created. Then so I'm going to enter mine. Then you enter your password. So once you do that, you click on login. So you're going to be successfully logged into the platform. So for the menu, we have the dashboard, we have payments, we have beneficiary, we have statements, and we have accounts. So because you are a new user, you're not going to be able to you're not going to see anything on the account. So what you need to do now is to create a new account. So to create a new account, you give your account a name. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to call this first one account 1, and I'm going to describe it as a savings account. So account type, I'll select personal. Subtype, I'll select savings. Then product code, I'm going to give it to product number 1. So when you create an account, you are able to see all the account details here. So there's nothing on the account now, so the balance is 0. This account ID represents the account number of the account. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fund this account. I'm going to show you how to fund the account. So to fund the account, you just click on fund account. Then you enter the amount you want to deposit. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to deposit $30. So I enter the amount, then I click on create deposit. Then I get a message saying that the account has been created successfully. So if you look at the account balance of this account, you can see that it has changed to $30. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a second account. So to do that, I'll just enter the account name. I'm going to name the second account account 2. I'm going to also describe it as a savings 2. So also a personal account savings. Then the product, I'm going to give it the second product. So I've created this second account now. So I'm going to show you. You can also see the details of the second account. You can see the name. This is account 2, and then you can see the account number. So I'm going to copy this account number. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to transfer money from one account to the other account. So we're going to be transferring money from account 1 to account 2. To do that, we will go to payments. But you will see that before we can send money from one account to the other, one of the things you have to enter is the beneficiary. So we are going to come to beneficiary here, and we're going to be creating a beneficiary under account 1. So to do that, you click on new beneficiary. You select the account where you want the beneficiary to be on. Then you paste the account number of the that's account number 2. This is the account number of account number 2. Then you enter the name. So I'm going to enter account 2 beneficiary reference. I'm going to just say segment 2. Then I'm going to autofill this. So once you add the beneficiary, you see that if you filter now and you want to see all the accounts or the accounts under account 1, you can see them. So this is the account number of account 2. So once you go back to payment now and you want to send money, so you select where you want to send money from. Then you also select the beneficiary. So you enter the amount. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to be sending $10. So you click on send money. So you see that the transaction has been successful. If you go to statements, you see that there was a credit. So $10 or $30 was credited to this account, that's account one, and $10 was sent to this account, that's account two. So if you also filter by the account, you can see the different transactions that have taken place under each of the accounts. So under the account two is just a credit transaction that's taken place. So I'm going to also, if you go to the account, you can see now that the balance of account one has changed to $20, while the balance of account two has changed to $10 now. So I'm going to show you how you are going to be able to request for money. So if you want to request if you want to withdraw money from a particular account, you select the account you want to withdraw from. So in this case, I want us to withdraw from account two. So out of the $10 we send to account two, we're going to withdraw $5. So once you request withdrawal, you also get a notification saying that the withdrawal has been successful. So if you go back to the account, you see now that the account balance of account number two has changed from $10 to $5. And if you also go under the statements and you select account two and you search, you see that for account two, $10 was credited and then $5 was debited. So these are all the features that you can that are contained in this platform. Thank you.